close combat has recently changed, impacting events like Rogue Rumble and Trials. Is this a positive or a negative development? How can we defeat a player with a higher combat power than ours in Rogue Rumble smartly? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will discuss the new close combat system changes and share tips to help you secure victory in battles. Changes. The new version of close combat includes some significant changes. First, heroes no longer share a common rage pool. Each hero has their own personal rage and can cast skills independently. If the rage restoration rates are the same, all heroes will use their skills simultaneously. Additionally, the rage requirement for each hero has been standardized to 800. This means that we no longer benefit from heroes having different rage costs. All heroes now require the same amount of rage to use their skills. For example, Griffin no longer needs to transform before casting his skill. He can immediately unleash his active skill to deal massive damage to opponents. Secondly, all heroes will attack simultaneously as part of a group fight rather than attacking individually. This change saves time and allows battles to conclude more quickly. As a result, speed is less critical in close combat since every hero strikes simultaneously, making the battle scenes appear chaotic due to the simultaneous attacks of the tiny characters. Lastly, manual fighting is no longer an option in Trials, everything is automated. Trials. The interface for the trial has undergone a complete transformation. It now appears more interactive, and the best part is that the star requirement has been removed. We no longer need to achieve 3 stars in each stage to receive all the rewards. Clearing the stages has become much easier. We can still access the previous season by clicking the switch button at the top left corner. Resources can be collected from the chest at the bottom left corner. This is your ship, and you can challenge the next stage by clicking the go button. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Damage bonus. 3 heroes with the same damage type grant you a 15% damage bonus. For example, choosing Sarah, Griffin, and Boa from the strategic category will activate this bonus. Once activated, you will see an icon change to represent the selected damage type. This bonus is crucial. You gain a significant advantage in battle if your opponent does not have it. Additionally, the developer has implemented a damage counter system. For instance, a cutthroat hero will deal increasing damage to strategic heroes, but less damage to artillery heroes. However, the system does not specify the damage bonus or reduction you will receive. We didn't take advantage of the counter system because changing heroes in every battle is troublesome. Hero pick. When selecting heroes, there are several essential tips to keep in mind. First, always choose legendary heroes with better attributes than epic and rare. Attributes are crucial in close combat, enhancing HP, hero damage, critical rate, and damage reduction. The higher the attributes, the better the performance in battle. Additionally, the heroes and trinkets level and rank can significantly impact these attributes, therefore prioritizing heroes with the highest attributes is essential. Second, the focus should be on heroes who deal with high skill damage. In previous versions, powerful skills like Lester's and Griffin's required a higher rage cost. However, rage costs have been standardized at 800 in the new version. This allows us to select heroes with the most skill damage without worrying about rage limitations. For example, while Tanaka's skill deals 140% damage, Griffin's skill inflicts 400% damage for the exact rage cost. Naturally, we would choose Griffin. Third, aim to select 3 heroes from the same damage type to activate a 15% damage bonus, which is vital for enhancing overall performance. For instance, combining 3 cutthroat and 2 strategic heroes can be particularly effective. We often choose Bones, Onimusha, Cattle, Griffin, and Sarah due to their high rankings on our list and superior skill damage. Some players prefer to include a healer or defender, such as Ahab, in their combinations. These heroes can provide armor bonuses, healing, or shields for teammates, which can be beneficial. However, while a specific combo may work well for us, it might not suit you due to differences in hero rank and trinket levels. Therefore, selecting the best heroes you own and being creative with your combinations is essential. Lastly, reviewing battle reports is a great way to assess the effectiveness of your hero selection. If the hero consistently inflicts lower damage than others, you may consider replacing it with a better hero. What do you think about the new close combat system? Please let us know in the comments. Alright, is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.